Hey guys, Daniel here of Pinoy Techno Guide, and I was very excited to take the Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 out of its box because the smartphone's spec sheet is promising. It has a dewdrop display, Android Pie OS, and a 13 megapixel camera with a wide f1.8 aperture. Upon unboxing the Huawei Y6 Pro 2019, I was immediately greeted by the smartphone itself. Then we have a SIM ejector tool, and under it are the micro USB cable and charger. The charger has a rated output of 5 volts and 1 ampere only. A screen protector is already applied to the phone, but there is no free phone case nor a pair of earphones inside the box. Huawei will provide vouchers and special gifts to the first buyers of the device. The Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 feels sleek and compact thanks to its tall aspect ratio and more pronounced curves on its sides. Its screen is responsive and has an average brightness, although the glossy back easily collects smudges. Nevertheless, the small dewdrop notch is certainly an improvement over the wider notch of 2018 smartphones. Navigating the Emui user interface, which is based on Android Pie, is smooth and clean. Turning on gesture navigation as well as screen time monitoring makes it feel more like Android Pie. There's 25.5 gigabytes of free storage out of the box with very few pre-installed third-party apps. You can still add more storage using a microSD card. I'll have to test whether the phone's smooth performance will continue when more apps are installed and running. The f1.8 aperture of the Huawei Y6 Pro 2019's 13 megapixel camera means that it can accommodate more light through its lens. Here are some sample pictures. Meanwhile, the phone's 8 megapixel selfie camera also has a trick to capture better selfies. A small LED flash called Selfie Toning Flash 2.0 is hidden in its top bezel. Here are some sample selfies. I'll be testing more features of the Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 in the next couple of weeks. Expect more camera samples, benchmarks, and gaming tests. Right now, I like the design of the phone and its performance and cameras are promising. I'm not really expecting too much though because this is still a budget smartphone. Subscribe to Pinoy Techno Guide for the latest updates and share your questions about the Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 in the comment section below.